going to fold a blue jean jacket for you in this segment. First, I would button it. It doesn't have to be every button, just pick a button that will hold it together. If the bottom has a detail, some kind of a, like this one is an A cut, I'm going to go ahead and button it one button down, one up here and one down here. This way it'll keep the bottom together too. When I go to fold it, it would be nice if it would just stay together. Okay, there's that one. And we'll do one up here. I personally don't have the patience to unbutton some of these things. When I go to put them on, I do it, but I have to make a lot of noise about it. So sometimes I just rather button one button or two. Okay, first off, you find the shoulders. I found the seam for the shoulders right here, and I lay the garment down. I pull collars up. Some people don't do this, but I do. You can also fold things with the collar like this, just like a button-up shirt. But I am going to do it this way for this particular folding. All right, I'm trying to get it as flat as possible in all directions so I can see what we have here. And there are different ways to fold this. You can, I'm going to flip it over here, fold it on the back. You can make a little bit of a strip right here. All that does is just make it a neater package when you're finished. This way the front, where all the buttons are, won't get jammed up in a big wrinkle, big creases in the very front. It's a lot easier to wear a crease right here on your shoulder in the back. When it put your body in there, it'll come out than in the front. So then we just flip those little sleeves up at the cuff, keep it all flat, and put the tail, essentially, up to the collar. Flip it over. Here's the front of your garment. Just sort of straighten it out a little bit. There you go. Depending on what you're doing, it could be folded a different way, but for this purpose, there we are, our finished garments. In the next segment, I'll be folding another piece of clothing for you.